Wish we could listen to some music or something. But we can't, because, you know, YouTube. Don't wanna make anybody mad. I still wanna do videos. I don't really know what y'all kind of music you guys are into, but you know, I like some industrial music, like, you know, 80s, 90s industrial music, and I also like rap. And you know, I got my Spotify, and it recommended, it's like, oh look, Eminem's new album is out. I used to like Eminem when he was, you know, back in the day. It was pretty funny. But he, I don't know, once he stopped taking drugs, he wasn't good anymore. So yeah, pretty disappointing. I don't know, I listened to the, what is it, Songs to Be Murdered By, and then B-side, both of it. Just, if you liked Eminem, you just don't. You won't like it. It was real bad. It's I can't even describe how bad it was. I don't know. I mean, it was pretty awful. So but then I listened to Fetty Wap's new album, and that's actually really good. Right out the box. Look, you gotta like Fetty Wap, but right out the box, you know, there was 4 songs that I liked just from, you know, listen to the album quickly. I like to go through it and you know, skim to find, you know, the I call them the, you know, the radio station songs, the hit popular ones. You know, I like to see how many are on an album. You know, I mean, there's definitely some albums from different artists that you're like, oh, every single song is good. I mean, it's kind of like that with Lil Peep. I like him too. Oh, liked him. He's dead now. But you know, his albums, like, every song was a winner. You know, that takes some real talent. You know, anybody can just make up some stupid garbage. I don't know. For me, Eminem, it's the raps and the background music. I don't know. He lost his magic, man. He lost his mojo. He became irrelevant, which is a shame. But, you know, hey, what are you gonna do? So it's like a long one and a short one, right? Long one and a short one. At least that's what it's showing me. Yeah, so you can see here, you know, it's like showing you a long one and a short one, long one and a short one. So I just got a million more pieces to do. Damn you. I'll just keep working here, and I wonder how much. Let me look at my you want some camera inception here? Not that you can really see it with my, there we go, with my light. Let's see. Wow. I don't know how much I have left on here. It doesn't say. I don't know how much I have left. I mean, space on my SD card. I think this is like a 128 or a 256. Something, I don't know. Anyways, I may have to actually, you know, take a break and download the video to my laptop to keep going. We'll see. I do have another memory card, so it's not that big a deal. The only thing we gotta watch out for is the battery. It's saying, I swear it says 20%, but it doesn't That doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't look right. I don't know. We'll just keep going. Catch what we catch. It's pretty quiet here on Sunday morning. Okay. A short one. God, this is painstaking. It's all the paper. Jesus. Alright. Need a long one. Like I said, guys, we're probably just gonna speed this up. And that way we can just get on with it. Move you in. Okay. Let's rotate you a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now you're up in my face. Okay. Okay. So you really got to be careful with things. They will scratch up the plastic. Just do it down on a spot that's inconspicuous. Okay. Oh, this is the stuff that really hurts my wrists. So. Okay. Shoot. Wow. I wasn't even really pulling on it or anything. It just kind of sprung out of there. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that was my neck. I have neck problems. I got a lot of problems. Anyways. Let's move this temporarily. Okay. 9:43. Oh, according to my other clock, it's 9:45. It's my that was my grandmother's clock. It's pretty cool. It bongs on the outer quarter hour, half hour, 3/4 past the hour. It's an old school one. I don't know how old it is. It's pretty old. It's like the last thing that I have from my grandmother, my father's mother. Grandma G. Oh, I bumped the. Oh, it's these things. They're getting in the way. This is the Best setup I got for right now, though. Okay, now I can... I'm just trying to position the camera to the spot that I can, you know, work on this so I don't have to be, you know, like leaning in here. I don't really want to be leaning in. It's hurting my back. I know, complain, right? Hey everybody. I guess my Osmo Action camera was getting a little upset. It overheated. My LiPo battery was really hot too. It's a knockoff. It's this one. But I mean, it's got almost no power left. It did get me basically over an hour on one battery, but I might have to come up with some kind of little fan to put. The heat sink on these things is down right over here on this thing, so I might have to like come up with a little contraption to like maybe blow some air or something. I don't know what to do. Anyways, it did cool down pretty quick, so alright, well, I'm done for now. You see I put everything else back in the box here. Done for now, and we'll pick this up again when I have some more time. My hands hurt, the camera's a little hot, so we'll talk to you. Alright, bye.